Hey guys, Gajana and Caoimhe is Dom, and I am making this video for anyone who is looking to improve on the level of Irish, who is looking to get some help around completing their Leaving Cert exam in Irish, to enter Hibernia and to get assistance with the Irish aspect of the interview, or anyone who gets into Hibernia College and is looking to improve their level of Irish. John Gavin from Leavingcertirish.com is just fantastic. First and foremost, John is fantastic. He knows exactly what he's talking about with the Irish. He teaches us in a way that makes sense. It makes it not so complicated, even though when there's so many rules in Irish, it's so hard to grasp your mind around it. I came into Hibernia College in September of 2022, so I was the autumn cohort, and I'm just recently after qualifying with the, in here 2024. And we got introduced to John through another student of Hibernia in our cohort, and said he was amazing, and said that he was offering classes for our cohort, and we could not have been luckier to discover John in that, because with the 4 different aspects of the new Gaeilge modules, we've 2 modules, and with that we had 4 different aspects, the 2 assignments, and we had a scrúdú cainte and a scrúdú scríbe, and John provided material for every single one of those and more. He gave us so much content to work with. He was on videos with us every week, sometimes even twice a week. He was very there for us. He came, with his arms open, and he gave us, everything he had, while also helping us with anything we needed from him. He improved our confidence by a mile. He was just fantastic. And I know there's other cohorts now behind us who are working with John, and I know feel the exact same way, because he is just fantastic at what he does. From someone who struggled with Irish up from primary school to secondary, he really helped us out, and he really made sense of everything and just made it not as scary as we all thought it to be. So I'm going to end this with saying, if you are ever, struggling on whether to consider this, please do. From someone who struggled for Irish for a very long time and was able to understand John, and John never rushed and he took his time. And if you never needed help, he was always just a text away. And we had this lovely group chat, and everyone could kind of just share how they were feeling in terms of, nerves and anything. And John was just so open to helping us in any way possible. So I'm just going to finish this off with, John is fantastic. Please consider doing his courses. He was brilliant the 2 years. He was an excellent support to all of us from my cohort in Hibernia College, and could not recommend John more. So please, if you're thinking about doing it, just do it, because it's an amazing course and you really won't regret it. And John is just fantastic. So, Song Foal, and yeah, thank you for listening. Bye.